welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yashasvi Sangvi, the owner of Anu Art and Craft Studio Indore. If you are new here, take a second and do subscribe my YouTube channel. So we are again back with a DIY stool makeover. So without any further ado, let's move into the video.
So we are going to use the new Filgree stencil, the A3 paper by Icraft, the glue and varnish, chalk paint Stewart brown, midnight coffee and cream pie. Now you have to cover the whole surface using any sort of brush using the cream pie chalk paint. Make sure that you apply a thick coat of this color. I am just spreading the color all over and I am completing my stool top. Now once it's done, you have to dry the top well. Now I am taking the largest size of the Filgree stencil. I am placing it at the center and I am going to use my midnight coffee chalk paint and I am going to stencil over it. Make sure that your brush contains less color. Now you have to lift up the stencil once the stenciling is done very slowly. Can you see the amazing pattern created by this stencil? Now using a masking tape, you have to paste the tape inside the pattern of filigree design. We are doing this to avoid the application of the second color on our created pattern. Now I am going to take the smallest size of the filigree stencil. I am placing it in the center and I'll take the color Mystic Shadow and I am going to stencil over it. The same rule apply over here. The less the color, the neat the pattern. Now quickly dry this all. And once it's dry, remove the tape. Now I am taking the A3 decoupage paper and you have to fuzzy cut the image very neatly. Now take the decoupage glue, apply it over all the base where you want to stick the print. Place the image on the glue according to you where you want to position it. Take a scraper and scrap the image. While pasting, make sure that there are no air bubbles inside. Check whether the image is stuck properly or not. If not, glue the portions which are not stuck. Now I am taking my Stewart brown color. I will be outlining the image which we pasted. With the help of water, I will spread the color and then I am going to dab it off with the help of a rough cloth. We are doing this process to give a shadow to our image. This technique is perfect for all the vintage lovers over here. I hope you are enjoying the video. I am loving it. Once the shadow effect is done, dry this complete stool well. Now I am taking the varnish by Icraft and using a sponge I am dabbing the varnish all over the top. We are not applying it with the help of brush because we want to give a thick layer to the stool top. Varnish the edges as well. Now dry the complete layer of varnish until it's dried. Now for the legs part, I am taking the midnight coffee chalk paint and I will apply this color all over the leg portion. Cover both the insides and outsides using the same paint. Now I'll dry this quickly. Now once this is dried, I am going to take my masking tape and I am going to create some blockages. Take the cream pie color with the same brush of brown and dab the color in the blockages created. Now remove the masking tape and repeat the same process on all the 4 legs. I am just giving a little bit dry brushing all over the legs of the stool. And just dry it and your stool is ready. Make sure that the complete stool is dried well to use. And this was the stool final outcome. I hope you all are loving it. I am loving it totally.
It was a fun-filled package of lot of techniques. I have been getting a lot of inquiries regarding the material. So in case you have any questions or inquiries regarding the material, you can connect me on my Facebook page or the Instagram handle. So do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Do follow me on my Instagram and Facebook handles. The links for the same are in the description box. Thank you for watching.